When a programmer writes software, another programmer can find out how it was done. If a program is in an interpreted language, such as Python or JavaScript, the source code accompanies the program. If a compiled language like C++ or Swift has been used, binary code can be investigated using reverse engineering or runtime analysis. Sometimes programmers take extra steps to make their code hard to examine or to understand. Such measures are typically seen in malware, in copy protection, or in anti-cheat functions in online games. Malware coders and virus authors are engaged in an eternal struggle with security companies. They try to make their code as complex and difficult as possible to make work harder for virus researchers. Illegal copies of commercial software eat directly into the profits of software companies, which is why closed-source developers have built various copy protection methods. Crackers, or people who circumvent copy protection, are willing to spend much time and effort removing and understanding protections. Modern online gaming is more than just entertainment. It is a major business. In addition to spoiling everyone else's fun, cheating at online games allows cheaters to win prize money in gaming tournaments. Modern PC games may contain low-level drivers whose sole purpose is to identify whether a process is attempting to examine or modify the game's operation while it's running. Typically, the code in these protection systems have been carefully obfuscated. An endpoint was reached in 2019 when a coder known as Speedy13 published cheat software for the multiplayer online game Counter-Strike. To be more specific, they released a compiler for cheats that work on Counter-Strike regardless of the available protection systems. One anti-cheating technique used by Counter-Strike and by other games involves protecting the game's allocated memory from being overwritten or modified. The ROP compiler created by Speedy13 compiles cheats in a way that creates no new program code. Return-oriented programming, known also as ROP, refers to an exploit method where the program is constructed from small pieces of code already in the computer's memory. It is as if the running game's code consisted of small puzzle pieces. The ROP compiler finds suitable pieces, and when these code pieces are executed in the right order, the result is an entirely new software application. In this case, a cheat that the player can use to see through walls, for example. The amount of work required to develop something like this is insane. It feels like some people are enjoying the game by playing it while others enjoy circumventing its protection. On the other hand, games are a huge business. In terms of money spent, gaming eclipses movies and music combined.